The position of daily oiling for maintenance. Needle bar reciprocator. Change to the first needle position. Take out the oiler and drip a few drops of white oil on the needle bar reciprocator. Rotary hook. Use an oiler with a nozzle to drip a few drops of white oil on the rotary hook and needle plate hole. Oil the rotary hook once when the machine works for 4 hours. Add 1 drop each time. Oil the hook twice when the machine works for 8 hours or more. Add 1 drop each time. Needle bar. Change to needle position 1 and 15 respectively. Use the oiler with a nozzle to drip a few drops of white oil in the groove of the needle bar. Twice a day. Use the oiler with a nozzle to drip a drop of white oil in front and behind the machine head. 1 drop is enough, otherwise oil will easily accumulate on the machine base during embroidery.